Hi YC, I'm Adi, co-founder and CEO of FlexInference, and here we have a browser agent demo. We believe this is a good demo to show you guys because this is how actually a lot of our customers use FlexInference. On the left-hand side, we're going to be requesting all our requests through FlexInference's API. We're going to be requesting for GPT 5.6 Sol with medium thinking, but we're going to give ourselves 10 seconds to find cheaper inference, otherwise escalating up to a default request. On the right-hand side, we're going to make requests directly to OpenAI. This should take into account the latency increase that FlexInference will get from the SLA that was set, but also the fact that this is another router you're connecting with instead of going directly to OpenAI. So we think it should be a very fair comparison. We're also going to be taking into account cost per million tokens. This should take into account input and output and cached tokens as well. And we'll compare medium time to first token. Reason we wanted to look at these metrics really to show you guys how it worked was it's an apples to apples comparison. These agents are going to act non-deterministically, but the cost per million tokens and the time to first token should roughly be the same, or be on the same baseline in the sense that it's a good comparison. What we're actually seeing right now is that FlexInference is not only 50% the cost, but it's actually the time to first token is faster. This is largely because this is a weekend, it's very late at night, so Flex Compute is higher. However, we have noticed that outside of the 9 to 5 p.m. PST blocks, Monday through Friday, which are peak hours and Flex Compute is the lowest, usually actually Flex Compute has a lot of compute and is available and often can complete the task faster. This is not guaranteed by us. It's a great secondary benefit. What we guarantee is that given the SLA, the time budget you give us, we will try to find you cheaper inference. And if so, we will get you 50% cost reduction. Now, as you can imagine, this is great for data pipelines where you might need a report or a dashboard updated in the morning with some LLM enrichment. And so does it really matter if it took a minute versus a minute 20 in the morning before everyone came in at 9 a.m.? Now it's completed and we can compare. So time to first token, given the time of day, was actually faster by 20 milliseconds, roughly 18 milliseconds. Total time though was also 2 seconds faster and total steps were the same. But cost per million tokens, taking into account input, output, and cached, was 50%. And so that's what FlexInference tries to do. It tries to reduce costs given the time budget you set. And we hopefully like to bring that to more companies and startups. Thank you.